In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Tab 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Then click on this big red button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To delete your recording right away, click this bin on the right and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To end it and save it though, click on the square on the left. Then name your recording however you want to and select OK. To listen to it, click on it. To find it from main screen of your recorder, you need to click on this little icon with 3 lines on the right when recording is off. To delete your recording, hold it. Click on this little bin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!